Today, the 22nd January, the Khasi Author Society submitted a memorandum to the Cabinet Ministers to place it before the Home Minister for inclusion of the Khasi language in the age schedule. Speaking to the media, Professor Dr. DRL Nonglach informed, as per information, only one language from a particular state should be included in the age schedule at one time. Meghalaya have been bifurcated from Assam based on language, but till now the Khasi language is not in the age schedule, stating the fact that Khasi language should be the first to be included. Since 2013, the Ministry of Home Affairs have sought relevant information about the Khasi language, and it was only in 2018 that the issue of including Garo language in the age schedule have come up. He also said, since Khasi have been one among the 38 languages in the list of pending cases in the Home Ministry, Dr. Nonglach urges the central government to bring an amendment to the age schedule for inclusion of the Khasi language.
And the Union Home Minister, they will have enough information about the status of Khasi language. You see, Meghalaya had been bifurcated from Assam on language lines. We got the state, but we don't have the language. This is something which the present generation cannot, bear. The difficulties, the problems that the younger generation, especially the educated youth, have been facing is because they have to write their competitive examinations by a foreign language. Whereas other people of India are writing their competitive examinations with their own language. So the competition for the Khasi people becomes very tough. So now it is high time for the Government of India to include Khasi in the age schedule. We appreciate the initiative of the government to recommend both Khasi and Garo languages, but as per the information we received, there has not been a time where Government of India or the Parliament bring two languages from the same state for inclusion in the age schedule. So we are hopeful that at least in the next amendment of the sixth schedule, one language based on merit from Meghalaya should be included in the age schedule. Thank you. It's something which we can appreciate. There is no harm for recommending both the languages, but Khasi has been a pending demand. It was since 2013 that the Ministry of Home Affairs, have sought relevant information about the status of Khasi language. And it was only in 2018 that the issue of including Garo language as well has come up for consideration by the state government. So recommending both the languages, it's okay. But then since Khasi has been one among the 38 languages listed by the Ministry of Home Affairs as pending cases, we urge the Government of India to bring an amendment of the age schedule for inclusion of Khasi language. At least one language from the state should be included in the age schedule. Thank you.
Thank you.